Basic English conversation. Practice. How many dolls do you have? Words. After you listen, each word, say the word.
Doll. Many. 5. 10.
Conversation.
Do you have a doll? Yes, I do. How many dolls do you have? I have 5. Do you have a doll? Yes. How many dolls do you have? I have 10 dolls. Wow, you have a lot. Yes, I do.
Practice.
Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. Do you have a doll? Yes, I do. How many dolls do you have? I have 5. Do you have a doll? Yes. How many dolls do you have? I have 10 dolls. Wow, you have a lot. Yes, I do.
Word quiz.
Many. Doll. Ten. Five.
Do you have a doll? Yes, I do. Yes, I can. What do you do? How many dolls do you have? I have 5.